Hello everybody, welcome to this abridged version of the video. In this video you can use it more as a reference. Once you listen to the whole explanation, I'm going to jump all the explanations I did in the previous video. I'm just going to go directly to the meat. We have this blank PowerPoint presentation. We delete the title, go to design, format background, solid, create a darker background. I'm going to create here insert, shapes, rectangle, put something in here, change its color to something that I want, eliminate the outline, we have something in here. Then we're looking for a picture in the internet, can be this one, copy image, make it as tall as possible, right click, crop it to the middle or to somewhere you want, the picture a little bit. We have it. Now we create the masking, code insert, shapes, rectangle. Here, remember to add some darker color and remove the outline. And solid fill, once we have it, right click, format shape, you're gonna give it here, add transparency to 40% or something close from that. Close to that. Go to insert, already had it. Shapes, text box. This is a PowerPoint tutorial. Change the font color, make it bigger. Centralize it. Can center these two things. Come here, align center, and I add the icons. We can come back to our icons, just copy, paste them here. Gonna have it. You're already aligned. Wouldn't have to do much. Okay. Come here, shapes, rectangle, draw a full rectangle, copy paste it, top, have the same width, height, here, click the background rectangle, click on theme colors, remove the outline, see how it blends. Do the same with this one by removing the outline and add a fill. Add that blue one, get this a little bit. Right click, some text comes in here, then comes the other picture, click on this one, I'm gonna copy it, stretch it, put it on the top, stretch it again, crop, move it, come back here, get the icons, and that's it. You can make this a little bit bigger if you want to. And that's it. Click subscribe for more videos. I'm going to try to have all these videos as complimentary to make them faster.